Hi, this is a story when I first got cheated for the first time in my life. In the summer of 1982, I actually started my first job, working in a busy bookshop, which was very, very popular, catering to, several schools, supplying books during the annual book season. I actually used to work, say, between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. with about a half an hour lunch break. The place actually was, packed with students and parents, all eager to, get their hands on the required textbooks, notebooks for the upcoming academic year. I was one of the 6 staff members. My days were actually filled with, helping the customers find their books, write books, billing, checking before delivery, and collecting cash and handing it over to the owner. On a particular day, it stands vividly in my memory. Around noon, a customer in the crowd approached me expressing interest in a comic book, and he actually wanted to, browse before purchasing. However, it was not the time to sell comics. Since he had insisted, I actually thought I'll hand over him, and I said it was costing 5 rupees. Then I got busy attending to other customers. After flipping through the pages and spending a few minutes, the customer returned back the comic, and he claimed the 100 rupees back. I was sure he hadn't given me any money, but he insisted vehemently, causing quite a scene in the crowded bookshop. I didn't know what to do, and I repeatedly emphasized that he had not given any money. He then started shouting at me, and I was almost in tears, and not knowing what to do. The shop owner was actually witnessing what was happening, and to avoid actual further commotion, he actually reluctantly handed over, rupees 100 back to the customer. I had actually told the owner that the customer was lying and he had not given any cash. The owner was very, very calm. He told me to attend to the other customers, I actually felt utterly cheated and, very disheartened, and expected the owner to terminate my services immediately, as the amount was, almost half my month's salary. The shop owner could actually see the disappointment in my face. So later that day, he calmly told me that he trusted me fully, and that people try to take advantage of the situation and cheat. He also advised me to stick to selling only school books during the busy season and avoid similar incidents in future. The aftermath of this incident was very, very tough for me to swallow, and I also felt a sense of injustice and betrayal. I thought the owner would recover the loss from me at the end of the month. Instead, he showed remarkable compassion and understanding, and actually paid my full salary, and I was very, very grateful to him for that. He taught me the importance of remaining calm in difficult situations, and guided me in handling such challenges with grace and resilience. Through his actions and words, he actually instilled the values of trust, empathy, and perseverance. These actually have stayed with me till date. So, if I reflect on the experience, I've come to realize a few key lessons. One is uphold your values and integrity, even when you're faced with challenges. Learn to remain calm, composed in difficult situations. Trust your instincts, and stand firm like the shop owner. Show compassion and understanding towards others, even in moments of, disappointment. And these lessons have shaped my approach to life, guiding me through the highs and lows, with resilience and grace. So you may have similar learnings, and if it's so, please share in the comments. Also, if you like this video, please click the like button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, so as soon as a new video is posted, you'll get notified. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.